Unfortunately, we had one, it broke down, and it's time to replace it. So we got this Hamilton coffee maker here. Now, if you guys can see, it actually goes by coffee cups, all right? And this one tells you that it's going to be about 12 coffee cups maximum on this one. You can program this to automatically start in the morning if you have all your prep stuff. Now, another thing is you could have you could change the modes too, and you could turn it off and on here by a push of a button. Timer is set up through actually these modes too. So you could have a time, so your PM, AM, however you want to set up. Now, recommendation, once in a while, come in and clean it up. A lot of people don't clean it up and they just constantly be using it. Now, there's a couple of silicone rubber ends that you need to be aware to clean up. This part right here, which is a reservoir, it tells you if it's full water too. So if you don't have to worry about it, it's like I said, it goes up to 4 cups to 12 cups. Plug is very short. You're gonna get a short plug for every single brand that you buy. Information, how to brew. If you want to brew your own kind of coffee or thicker coffee or ungrind coffee, you're gonna need to grind it. So it's not gonna cook very well. You're gonna need filters on this one. So this is how you set up your actual system. We're here at the shop. We're gonna put our filter in, all right? Just make sure you put your filter in, and then you put your favorite coffee. Make sure it's grind, all right? The filter, I've seen people actually use cloths on them and also paper towels, but I don't recommend you that. How many can you fill?
Put 3 for the 2 bottles of water.
3 for the 2 bottles of water that we put on the reservoir.
More and we're good. We want a little bit stronger.
Yeah, if you want it stronger, you put in more. You can see this is when you open it. Look at that.
It stops. So
No, it still goes. It's still going. No. It just drains the water, and then it fills up, and it does it again. It just constantly goes like that. So if you guys can see the momentum of it, how it works, the inner works of the coffee machine. All right, if you guys can see, we finally finished it. We did 6 cups, all right? Completely done. It took about maybe 1 minute to start and about 2 or 3 minutes to finish, all right? So not that bad for large corporations or maybe a company, or maybe you have employees or yourself or your family and they all drink coffee. Great way to do it. Now, at the end of the day, all you got to do is you can see inside, steamy, hot. It has that pour pretty perfect in here. Locks in place. Very hot. Don't touch any of the glass part of it. You can grab the handle and it stays on warm as long as you want. You turn off the button if you don't want to power it on, but right now it tells you it's warming up and it's regular. And you can program it for your mornings, your afternoons, your nights, and so forth. Now, at the end of the day, don't reuse this, toss it away and get a new one.